Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. This is Professor Dr. Sheikh Asif Mijan, Vice Chancellor of Darussalam University, Mogadishu. Today we have a very wonderful program. That's, yesterday we start Quran reciting competition, and Alhamdulillah, lots of students have participated this competition, and all of our students, guardians, faculties and teachers, they enjoy. And Alhamdulillah, it is ending today by distributing awards and certificates. These awards and certificates is just for the recognition of the participants, but it's really, as a Muslim, it's a wonderful program. It's not only for the world, it's hereafter. All participants and guardians and all concerned, I hope they will get award from the Almighty Allah. So I like to thank all of the leaderships of Darussalam University, teachers, students and guardians, and very especially I congratulate the participants and the winner. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.